Embrace the celestial splendor of the waxing gibbous moon, currently illuminating our skies since September 1st, 2025. The lunar beauty has embarked on its journey from the first quarter to the waxing gibbous phase, marking a significant milestone in its 29.53-day cycle. Today, the moon shines brightly with 64% of its surface bathed in sunlight, a sight to behold. And this is just the beginning of its transformation. Culminating in the full moon spectacle on September 7th, the waxing gibbous phase, a term derived from the Latin gibbosus, meaning humpbacked, is characterized by the moon's increasing visibility, transitioning from a mere half to a fully illuminated sphere. It's a period of growth and expansion, much like the moon itself, gaining light and strength with each passing day. Imagine the moon as a beacon of hope, guiding us through the night, growing brighter and more magnificent with every hour. But here's where it gets interesting. As the moon approaches its full glory, its gravitational pull intensifies, affecting the tides on Earth. The result? A surge in tidal activity, known as spring tides, reaching net peak during the full moon. It's a fascinating display of nature's interconnectedness, reminding us of the delicate balance between celestial bodies and our planet. Now, let's dive into the astrological significance of today's waxing gibbous moon. Positioned in the fiery sign of Sagittarius, known for its adventurous spirit and thirst for knowledge, Sagittarius encourages us to embrace our wanderlust and seek out new experiences. With the moon in this sign, we're invited to embark on a personal journey of discovery, exploring uncharted territories both within ourselves and in the world around us. So, how can you harness the energy of the waxing gibbous moon in Sagittarius? Indulge in your innate curiosity by embarking on a spontaneous adventure, whether it's a solo date, a stroll through your town with fresh eyes, or a conversation with a stranger that challenges your perspective. Let your heart guide you, and you'll be rewarded with unexpected insights and connections. And this is the part most people miss. The waxing gibbous moon isn't just a celestial phenomenon. It's a powerful symbol of action and manifestation. According to mystical teachings, this phase calls for decisive action, urging us to seize opportunities that align with our deepest desires. It's a time to say yes to the universe, trusting that the path unfolding before us is leading us towards our dreams. So when the universe knocks, don't hesitate to open the door and step into the unknown. In conclusion, the waxing gibbous moon, with its captivating presence in the night sky, invites us to reflect on our own growth and the potentials of transformation. Whether you're a seasoned stargazer or simply appreciate the beauty of the cosmos, take a moment to marvel at the moon's journey and let its energy inspire you to chase your dreams. After all, the universe is vast, and so are the possibilities waiting for you.